Power target trades, power trigger trade. All right, people. Power trigger trade, Sandro here. I got a plan here for Tesla. So Tesla is set up to test what, right? Well, I'm going to be posting. What is it set up to test right now? Okay. So in a short period of time, I will explain inside the video the facts, the options I plan to use on confirmation. Right. So what I want to do, people, is I want to explain what a little bit I'm about. Every time, especially you could see I posted a Google L plan that worked out pretty well, and I posted the options to use and then the confirmation side of Power Group Trade. So I'm going to explain all that, right? So basically what I do is I post a target, specific options, and then what I'm looking for entry, and then I post the confirmation inside of Power Group Trades, right? So I'm going to be making a plan inside of Power Group Trades. Let me show you what I mean. All right, people, welcome to Power Trigger Trade. Confirmation is key. As a regular follower, I post all the facts, like how to become a group member inside of Power Group Trades. It's free. All you have to do is basically follow the rules and study what I explain inside this particular video. Also, what I do is I post stuff like, I post things for people to think, I'm the big picture expert, correct? The big picture. For example, February 11, 2016, many experts were very negative. And even today, even with what's going on right now, there's a lot of confusion and not understanding how the market dynamics have changed. Therefore, you need what's called a big picture expert to lead you for what's the real facts. Where to put, what's the best investments to make. You can't, with small-minded people, you can't make the big dollar bills. You just can't do it. All right, now, people. Check out my video, where is it here? Let me go down here. The Google L. I posted this plan on May the 1st, right? Confirmed recently and made dollar bills inside of Power Group Trades. Market has been very, very difficult, but the big picture, what I said, like about Apple and all these things, people, is why I'm the big picture expert and correct when it comes to the big picture. Not little baby moves. Little baby move traders out there. No skill compared to Power Trigger Trade. Yours truly. All right, people. Let me show you something else. So, see what you want to do. Let's go to my YouTube channel. Let's go. Come on. Come with me. Come with me. Right. So what you saw there, if you're a first time, going to my website, you get an intro screen like that. It's the intro video. In that video, I explain a lot about what I'm about. Okay. And as you can see, confirmation is key. This is Power Target Trades. Now, one thing I want you to understand, why you want to subscribe to this channel, there's a lot of great detailed information here that you should take a lot of time to study and review the truth, the facts. You see, I made a video about the SPY going 300 before the facts. Basically, I had bullish assumptions. I show you the big picture right when most people were bearish the market. Of course, the market then massively reversed. We're talking about back right in April the 14th. Has the market really dropped lower? No, it has not, right? In fact, we had great earnings of stocks like Apple, BA, almost practically the majority of Amazon, the majority of companies that count, that show truth of what's going on, of what's going on in the economy, show strength, show growth. We are in a new dynamics here, people. Whole world thinking is in the past. And I explain this right inside this video here. You should check out my created playlist, the SPY video right over here. Anyways, people, subscribe to this YouTube channel, especially if you want to become a member inside of Power Group Trade. So, if you don't have a YouTube account, get one. If you have one already, I'm going to show you an easy way to subscribe. I'm going to be posting a plan inside of Power Group Trades, or TSLA, an option plan, with all the specifics, targets, what options I plan to use, confirmation price, confirmation, you name it. Detailed plans, detailed instructions, detailed focus. Let's see what now. Inside this video, you're going to see a picture of me in a circle format. You simply click on it, and it's going to give you an easy way to subscribe. Let's see what I say. Power Trigger Trade Sandro here, the big picture expert.
You want to study my creative playlist on the bottom of my YouTube channel. You also want to subscribe. A lot of great information here on power target trades. You can also find my website link. And don't forget, there are live streams on my YouTube channel. So you want to subscribe for a whole bunch of reasons. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like